Womantours bike and boat tours are a great introduction to bike touring in a foreign country. We run about a dozen bike and boat excursions each year in France, Italy, the Netherlands, Belgium, Croatia, and Greece. These tours are extremely popular with our guests for a lot of reasons. For starters, you sleep on the boat the entire tour. Also, these floating inns are themselves a fantastic experience. There's always a deck where you can enjoy the fresh air and outside view. The common areas where you dine and gather also have great views of the water. Each cabin, though small, has its own private bathroom and shower and can accommodate 1 or 2 people. What kind of boat will you float in? That depends on the tour. On our Italy, France, or the Belgium, Netherlands tour, you'll hunker down in a comfy barge boat that navigates canals and rivers. If you join our Netherlands Sail and Cycle tour, you'll be on a handsome sailboat traveling through the Frisian Islands. Our Greece and Croatia tours are run on ocean luxury yachts that go from one idyllic island to the next. Seasickness is rarely an issue, as you're always in protected waters. As for bicycles, choose between a hybrid bike with straight handlebars or an e-bike hybrid, also with straight handlebars. Both will be outfitted with waterproof panniers to carry your belongings for the day. France, Italy, Netherlands, and Belgium? These tours are on mostly flat terrain. There are some climbs in Greece and Croatia, but with an e-bike, these hills disappear. A typical day goes something like this. You'll wake up on the boat and enjoy a fantastic breakfast spread. Then you'll set out on your ride as a group, with one guide leading the flock and another riding a sweep. There will be lots of picture-worthy stops along the way. Perhaps a historic windmill or Roman aqueduct, maybe a famous flower garden or cheese factory, most likely an authentic bakery or gelato shop. And if you're not in the mood for that sandwich you packed in the morning, there's always a bistro, pub, or cafe with authentic lunch options. At the end of the ride, you will meet up with your boat again. If you're on an island, it will likely be where you left it in the morning. If you're on the mainland, it will probably be docked in another town. Regardless, refreshments may be waiting for you, and you'll have time to shower and relax before your 4-star chef-prepared dinner. The evenings might be playing games on deck or strolling the town to catch the sunset or a nightcap at a nearby cafe. If there's a day when you don't feel like cycling, you'll always have the option to stay on the boat or explore the town by foot once the boat reaches its final destination. Traveling by bike with knowledgeable local guides is by far the best way we know of to get to know a new country. We hope you'll consider one of our bike and boat tours. If you want to learn more, don't hesitate to call the Womantours office. We'd love to share more information with you. Bon voyage!